Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I definitely think that we have finished the wave 3. I think we are likely in a wave 4 right now, which is most likely going to be a very overlapping corrective three-wave pattern, probably at least going down to the 50% and probably lasting at least 8 months or more before it actually goes back up and makes the wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this is all just one downtrend right here, which I'm still not even really convinced is over. Most likely all part of a wave A. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is a 1, a 2, a 3, and I still think we're at a wave 4. So I still believe that there's going to be at least one more push down for a wave 5, and this is all a wave A of wave 4 on like the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move right here. We're kind of pushing above the 38%, but if it does go down, if it does break structure, I definitely would take it as a short. Or if it continues to drift up, which at this point kind of seems more likely that it would go up to like the 50%, then it makes a double top with a break of structure, then that will be my sorting opportunity. Either way, I think this is likely a wave 4. I think this is likely the wave 3. I think it needs to go down for a wave 5, and this is all part of a wave A of 4 on the weekly monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. If you are a very short time frame trader trading the 1 hour or below, then you could definitely be looking for longs right now. I think it is pretty likely that it's probably more probable that it's going to drift up to at least the 50% before it actually makes that big engulfing move down with a break of structure. Whether it happens at the 38, whether it happens at the 50, I don't really care, because when it does happen, I'll definitely be able to recognize it, and I'll definitely enter short for the continuation of this downtrend. I think this is likely a wave 3. I think we're likely in a wave 4, and think it's likely to make a wave 5 of wave A, which is a wave A of wave 4 on the very high time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.